from Frugal Family Home, and today I have a quick dinner recipe for you. It's chicken green bean stir fry. So let's get started and I'll show you how easy and quick it is to make. Okay, so what we need to make our green bean stir fry is of course some green beans. You want to take the stem end off and then slice. We also need some onion, and I like to slice this up. If you have family members who do not like onion, you might slice it a little thicker so they can be picked out. We have some canned mushrooms here. If you want to use fresh, you can use fresh mushrooms, but I find canned mushrooms are easier to use and quicker to make. And sliced water chestnuts. These are just the ones from the can, very easy and convenient to make. And then we have our sliced chicken. And I slice our chicken pretty thin. The secret to getting it sliced this thin is to actually have it partially frozen and a very sharp knife, and you can get it nice and thin just like this, almost see-through. So those are the vegetables and meat that we need. Now let's go over what we need for our sauce. Okay, to make our sauce, we're going to take some soy sauce, and to that we're going to add a little bit of the fish sauce, and we have some cornstarch, and we're going to add that in just like that, and we just want to get that all incorporated. And if you're using powdered ginger or powdered garlic, you want to add that in now, but since we're using fresh, I'm going to add that to the vegetables and cook it. Put it in now, and you just want to mix it so the cornstarch is all mixed in, and then our sauce is ready. So let's get ready to cook. First, we have to prepare our green beans. And we need to slice our onion. And what we want to do is add our oil to the pan. And as you see, the pan is hot and the oil is kind of shimmery. Next, we'll add our chicken. This is our thin sliced chicken to the pan. And we're just going to cook it until it's cooked through and lightly brown. Once the chicken is pretty well cooked through and slightly browned, then we're just going to remove it and set it aside and cook the vegetable. To the same pan, we're going to add some more oil, just another tablespoon. Then we're going to add our prepared green beans. And we're going to cook and stir these for just about a minute. And then we're going to add our water chestnuts. And stir those in, and we're going to stir fry these for about 3 minutes total. And now we're going to add the onions to the pan also and give them a stir. Then we'll add our mushrooms too and stir them in also. And finally, we're going to add our garlic and our ginger that we grated earlier. If you use the powdered garlic and the powdered ginger, then you don't need to add the fresh in. It'll be added when we add our sauce. And now we're going to stir fry until all the vegetables are tender crisp. And now we're going to just add our chicken back into the pan. Just to reheat it a little before we add our sauce. And now we'll give our sauce a little bit of a stir and add it to our pan. And we're just going to cook it until it is thickened, which only takes about a minute. And then our stir fry will be ready. Just want to coat all the pieces of chicken with the sauce, and it's ready. Doesn't this look delicious? Yum. So that's it. That's this quick and easy dinner recipe of chicken and green beans stir fry. Perfect. And you can use other veggies if you don't have green beans in the recipe, so you can use what veggies you have on hand. If you'd like the printable recipe or would like to see some of the tips I've included in the blog post, just look for the link in the description. And if you don't subscribe to our channel yet, I would love to have you subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.